Hi everyone, I'm Emily Curl and today we're gonna do something really fun together. I'm unboxing $15,000 worth of pre-owned luxury handbags. Now buying pre-owned luxury is a great way to get into the luxury space without spending a fortune, which is what we all want and what we deserve. So let me give you some info on the bags that we're gonna be unboxing today. Now each bag is verified by master authenticators, so they meet all of the highest standards of excellence. Now, generally, the rating system for luxury handbags is from Fine to Pristine, and at Lavelle, we only sell very good and up. So if something is categorized as excellent condition, that means minor discolorations and scratches may be present in less obvious areas. The next category is very good, and that means there's some signs of wear due to regular use or age, and we have both, very good and excellent. Now, before we get started, all of these handbags are currently available at shoponlavelle.com, and these are the only ones. So they're really special. If you want one, do not hesitate to make sure you get it before someone else does, or let's be honest, before I buy all of them, because I already know I'm gonna be obsessed. All right, let's do some shopping and some unboxing. I hope you're ready because I'm so excited for this. We're gonna start with box one. I feel like this is Christmas morning. First unboxing, luxury handbags, here we go. Oh, and this is such a good one to start with. We have the classic, this is the Gucci Jackie, and she's gorgeous. Y'all, this is one that you cannot go wrong with. The original retail price of this is $25.50. Our price, $700. Now this is such a steal. What's really cool about this bag is it's named the Jackie bag because it was named after obviously the famous Jacqueline Kennedy. She wore this bag all the time. This bag is also one of the first half crescent style shoulder bags. It's canvas, made in Italy in the 1990s. And what you might notice is this pattern. Now this is the pattern that you see all the time. It's the canvas version. It features the green red striped web pattern that we have here. Incredibly durable, beautiful detailing. If you know anything about luxury handbags, it's that it's all in the details. So when you buy a handbag, something like this is gonna be, you're gonna have it for a long time, forever maybe. And what's so great about Gucci is they really take time to harp on those details, which is perfect. So now let's talk about this. We have the leather here, of course, we have the pattern that Gucci's known for. In the center too, we have this nice clasp. It's the silver hardware, a little Gucci button so it pops right open and we can get inside. And let me show you inside too. We have one zipper and then it's about a medium-sized bag. So I feel like this is great if you just want to take this bag on the town out for a spin. So say you're going to brunch with your friends or you're going to the movies or to a night out on a date. This one's perfect for that. It fits everything you need. You know, your phone, your wallet, your keys, your chapstick, anything that you need, it's going to be in this bag. And so I think this is going to be one that you're going to wear, not to special occasions, but to more fun outings, right? You can wear it a ton. It's great for any season. It's so classic that you cannot go wrong. So if you're dipping your toes into the luxury market, this is a great one to start with. Gucci Jackie, here we go. All right, we've got a few more to get into. So let's jump to our next bag. All right, another big box. Here we go. All right, who's ready for another bag? Ooh, we've got a Prada moment happening. Let's talk about this Prada bag, Prada Ballerina handbag. First off, this leather on the bag is gorgeous. You can just tell by the outside, like the quality of this is unmatched. The original retail of this price is $14.35. Our price, $11.95. What's cool about this Prada bag too is it actually comes with this additional strap. So you can wear it as a regular bag, and it's a bowler style tote. So it has the nice folds, a removable and adjustable shoulder strap. So if you wanted to take it for a spin around town, if you are a bowler, take it to the bowling alley. It has the beautiful silver hardware, a gorgeous brown color. As we enter into fall, this would be my fall bag that I wore all the time. What I love about this Prada bag too is that not only does it look luxurious, but it also is something that you can wear every single day. Now, if you're going out, you're going anywhere, this is gonna be one that you can take. You can fit a lot of stuff in there too. So let's open it up and see on the inside. Ooh, and y'all, this is such a cool detail. On the inside, it's this blue color, this bright blue. Such a unique bag, and I think this one has a lot of personality. So if you like handbags already and you're looking for something that feels a little bit more special, this is that bag for you. We have an inside tote here so you can fit some extra special stuff with some extra handles in there as well. Extra pockets, not handles, and then some extra space on the sides too. Now this is gonna hold a lot of stuff too, so this is gonna be great, especially if you're like taking it around and you wanna put a lot of stuff in here. Love it. Now, like we said, these are pre-loved, so they have been around the block, but that just means that they've got some good stories to tell. So we have a little bit of scuff here, but really, really minor stuff. Again, yeah, just some minor scuffs here. Again, this is gonna be still such great quality. And if you're in the market for a Prada bag, this one's for you. All right, let's get into our next bag. Any guesses what we're gonna find? Let's see here. Oh yes, all right, cannot go wrong. We have the Louis Vuitton Totally MM Tote. Now the original price for this is $19.50. Our price is $1,600. Now the quality here is very good. So this is gonna have just some minor scuffs like we talked about. It's a tote bag made in France. It was made in 2012. It's the perfect versatile tote. So if you're on the go, and if you're like me and you stuff a million things in your bag, then this is gonna be the one that you go for, especially if you like wearing luxury handbags or like taking these every single day. So inside you could fit your laptop, you could fit your iPad, I mean, all your work stuff, you could fit extra clothes in here. I feel like I always bring a change, like in case I need to like go from during the day to the night out, switch to a fun top, some makeup, and whatever you want. You also could fit, if you're a mom out there and you're looking for another bag, baby bottles are great, you can fit in here too. I know my sister is a mom of 2 boys and she would absolutely love something like this. So it has lots of extra compartments on the inside as well. We have the canvasy material. This is gonna be one of those classic bags again, that you can take everywhere. So if you love luxury bags and want something for every day, this is it. And now Louis Vuitton, this is the monogram pattern, which was actually created by George Vuitton in 1896 to honor his father, Louis Vuitton, which I did not know, which is a cool little fact behind the bag. It's in excellent condition, barely shows signs of pre-loved use. So again, another great option. Now I forgot to mention, say you want one of these bags, but you're not ready to drop the full price. We actually do something called Shop Pay, where you can pay 4 installments. So as we gear up for the holidays, you know you want to get a bag for someone special, for someone you love, or for yourself. You could actually pay as you go in the 4 different installments. So Christmas comes around, your birthday, you're getting a job promotion, Shop Pay is the way to go, especially if you want one of these babies. Gorgeous. All right, let's see what we have next. Ooh, a smaller box. Oh yes. All right, you are going to love this one. I don't think you're ready. Oh, this Prada Moments. This is the Prada Saffiano Small Promenade bag. First off, this color is stunning. This is one of my favorite colors of this past season. If you want a statement bag, this is the one that you want. The original retail is $2,500. Our price is $14.95. An absolute steal, especially getting a Prada bag. So like we said, this is light blue calf. It's made in Italy. Gorgeous detailing. We have the gold trim. You can wear it as a small little bag, a clutch. You can take anywhere. Again, this is gonna be a statement piece. Or we have the handle too that you can just strap on over. Now what I love about these kind of bags too is they're just small enough that if you wanted to go more of a sporty vibe, you're hitting the town, but you wanna take this out during the day. It's a bright color, beautiful. You can strap it over, you can wear it if you're running anywhere. But on the other hand, you also can make this a statement bag. So if you're going to a wedding or you're going to an event and you wanna have this moment with this Prada bag, this is the way to go. It just has some light scuffs, but like we mentioned, everything here is in excellent condition. And I actually don't even see the scuffs upon first look. So just know that this one is in great condition. Let's take a look on the inside. Now keep in mind, there is only one of these on our site. It is the one that we have. So don't miss out if you are interested in this Prada bag, this baby blue color. On the inside too, you can see there's the Prada logo, which is gorgeous. We have a little zipper on the inside too if you want to put anything in there. So you have some extra room, so you can really put some stuff in here. Like I mentioned, we have the strap here, but you can easily take this off, and let me show you. All right. So perfect size strap. It's also adjustable. Like I said, if you want to take it for a spin on the town, you want to wear it as a crossbody, we've got that. But I just want to have a moment of appreciation for this bag. The handles, I mean, absolutely gorgeous. This is such a cute moment. Again, you're going to an event, you're going to somewhere special. This is going to be the way to go. And it's so cute too. It's such an interesting color that if you love Prada, you love luxury handbags, and you want something different, this one's unique and has a lot of personality. And don't forget, like we said, you can also do 4 different installments on Shop Pay. If you're really eyeing this Prada bag, but you're not quite ready to pull the trigger just yet, don't worry, you have some time. All right, a few more for you. Okay, here we go. We're back to Gucci, and this is a really special one. We have the Gucci Eclipse tote bag. And it feels a little heavy too, which I really love when bags have that extra weight to them. So the original retail is $1,200. Our price is $500. When I say, actually show's over, I'm taking this one home with me. I absolutely love it. It has the cool detailing, so it's the medium-sized version of the Eclipse tote. Made in Italy, made in the 1990s. Now the Gucci canvas print was designed in the 1960s and has remained a symbol of luxury ever since. Of course, you know that we all recognize this print. Now canvas was originally used during the Second World War due to a shortage of leather. So it's really interesting. And then we have these cool details here, and it's named after the circular metal hardware. That's where we get the Eclipse name, adorning these strap anchors. These charm-like embellishments, they can move aside, forming an eclipse-like an appearance for the hidden bag strap anchor behind. So just unmatched detailing for Gucci there. And if you really appreciate history and you like bags that sort of have that moment, this is gonna be the one for you. It has a little bit of wear, but still, y'all, great condition. Inside too, we have the silver detailing. There's actually an inside zipper pocket in the center, and then on the back, we're gonna have some extra space, a little compartment, and then also a zipper here as well. Eclipse tote for Gucci, absolutely love that one. $500, y'all. Love it. All right, on to our second to last bag, our 6th bag. We have, ooh, she's sexy. We have the Louis Vuitton DemiLoon Pochette. The original price is $1,400. This one is $795. Oh my God. I have to say, between you and me, this one might be my favorite of all of them. It's epi black leather. And what is so special about this bag, it has this gorgeous stitch detail. I'm not sure if you can see it there, but it can also be transformed to a handbag with removable leather handle. Silver tone hardware. It's lined, it has a magnetic closure. This is gonna be this bag if you love luxury, but you don't necessarily want like the overly branded stuff, or you don't wanna, you know, have something that has a lot of logos on it. This one has just a subtle Louis Vuitton here at the bottom. So this is gonna be something that you know personally is luxurious. The quality's unmatched, it's beautiful, and has this incredible detail, but it's not gonna be too over the top. Now inside, there's no pockets. It's lined, but again, you're not gonna have a ton of space in here, but this bag is not for space. This is to make a statement, as we all know. This is one of my favorites that we have, and especially living in New York, like when I go out for a night out, I'm wearing my outfit, I have my, I have the whole thing together. This is gonna bring it all home. So I love this. This is the night out bag, and again, she's stunning. All right, we have one more bag for you, the 7th and final bag. Are you ready? Our last bag of the evening. Oh man, I was hoping we were gonna have this one. This is the Chanel 1990s micro belt bag. Have you ever seen anything more adorable? It's $3,400. And y'all, I'm telling you, this is a steal for this bag. Very great condition. We just have a little wear and tear. This is one of those iconic bags that you've seen everywhere, but to actually have it here, it's so special. We have one of a kind, one truly on our site right now. So obviously this strap comes out and you actually wear it as a belt. So let me show you. So I obviously have my belt on, but this one's way better. So let's try it on. So we have the tiny bag here. Now this is great because you can just, you put in a credit card, you put in whatever you need. Like it's small, but it's not about this bag, right? It's about the entire moment. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this around. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. Stop it right now. So you can obviously pin it as you go. So we have this gold chain. First off, oh my God, this is absolutely adorable. Okay, if you can see, we have the leftover chain that hangs here. Again, we have the Chanel detailing. It allows you to move it around. So again, you can adjust where you want the bag to go. It's meant to be a waist bag, so there's a clasp at the end, like I said, so you can make it tighter, you can make it shorter, whatever you need. And then you have the moment of the bag hanging down. So it's made in France. The diamond quilted pattern, which we all know from Chanel, was introduced by Gabrielle Chanel herself, featuring both exterior and interior pockets. The bag charm, like I said, can be used to hold cash, makeup, whatever you need. The micro belt, actually, this bag was consistently sold out during its initial run. And now, get this, resells for well over 10 times its initial value. Insane. So there's a little bit of signs of wear on the leather, but again, in great condition. This is probably gonna be one of our priciest items, but probably one of the most unique that we have. So there's one on Shop Lavelle right now. Like we've said before, we have the 4 installments too. So if you wanna get this for a special gift or for a holiday or for anything for yourself, which you deserve it, this is gonna be the bag. How cute. I love. All right, so I don't know about you, but all of these bags I will take. And I wanna know which ones are your favorites and which ones you're gonna buy. So let me know in the comments, because I'm still deciding which one I'm going for. So make sure you go to shoponlavelle.com right now, secure one of these bags. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did unboxing all of these luxury purses with you. For all you handbag lovers out there, check out Lavelle's merch shop below. Happy shopping, and don't forget to follow Shop on Lavelle on all social channels. I'm Emily Curl, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.